Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to solve this question. The question came today in the bi-weekly contest. This was 109th bi-weekly contest, and the question says that sort the vowels in the given string. Okay, what does that mean? We are given a zero index data. The question says we are given a we are given a zero index string, and permute the string s to give a new string t such that. Okay, so we are given a string s. Okay, we are given a new string s. Let it be something. Let it be something. And we have to permute the string. We have to permute the string. We have to permute the string. What does permute means? It means all the constants will remain in their original places. Okay, all the constants will remain in the original places. Formally, if the string is I, blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay, and vowels will must be stored in the non-decreasing order of their ASCII values. Yeah, of their ASCII values. For example, let's check. The vowels are like stored in the precedence order, or like this: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and they can appear lowercase or appear uppercase. Okay, both the vowels can be there present in the string. For example, LeetCode, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels. Okay, and the vowels are a mixture of both capital vowels and small vowels. For example, E is capital and another E is small vowel. O is capital, E is another, again small. Now we are getting the output L E O T C E. Okay, see. Let me remove this. Yeah. The string given is L capital or small. Sorry, small. Yeah. L E E L E E P C lead code. Lead code O capital T and E. Yeah. Now see, we have this string here. We have this string, and we have to append it such a way. We have to permute it such a way that the new string will have all the consonants at the same place as in the previous string. 3, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, L, W, E, T, C, O, D, E, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So its length is 8. Length is 8. Okay, and the maximum index is 7. So in the new string also 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the new string also we know that we know that all the consonants will remain in that original place as it was in the previous string. Original string. Yeah, this is our original string. So check it. It is not a vowel. Yeah, it is not a vowel. It is a vowel. Leave it. It is a vowel. Leave it. It is not a vowel. So it will be at index 3. It is not a vowel. It will be at index 4. It is a vowel. Leave it. It is not a vowel. It will be at index 6. Yeah, it is a vowel. Leave it. Now, now we have to arrange these vowels in such a fashion, in such a way that they will follow the ASCII value precedence. What does that mean? That means how does ASCII letters are stored in the ASCII table? ASCII letters, I am talking about alphabetical letters. In alphabetical letters, the capital A comes first, then B, then C, D up to Z for capital letters. Then it comes small a, then small b, then small b, then small c up to small z. Okay, now in between here it might be possible that there are any special characters, but there will be no alphabetic characters in between any special characters. You know, all the alphabetic characters will be consecutive in order in the ASCII table. So we got to know that the ASCII table, the capital letters come first, then the small letters come. So we can assume, what we can assume, that our precedence table would be like this: A, E, I, O, U, then small a, E, I, O, then small u. This is our precedence letter. Okay, precedence order. First, we will prioritize A. If any A is present, capital A, then we have to check for it. Okay, and return the first value. Okay, for example, let us see here. It has E. Okay, we will iterate from the first letter. It has E here. Yeah, E is present. And what is the precedence value of E? What is the precedence value of E? Precedence order. Yeah, it is at the second only. So we will put E here. Okay, now I was there, I comes here, now I comes here. Now we have small e, but we know the small letters will come at last. So what we have present here, but comes before e in the precedence order, obviously capital O. So we'll write the capital O here, and this one is used up, and also this one is used up. Now I comes here, I comes here, I comes here. At index 3, index 3 is already occupied. Index 4, I comes here, index 4 is also occupied. Index 5, index 5, yeah, index 5. Index 5, we have a vowel, but it is used up, which is not used then. This one is not used. So we will use it up here, because the precedence of both small e are same. So we will use it first. Now I comes here, I comes here. Now this one is only left, so it is our letter. Okay, let's check it. Leet, Leo, capital E, capital O, Pcede. This is our answer. Yeah, this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Now we got to know about the solution. About the approach. But how would we actually solve it? How would we code it? So let us take an example of. So we are given a string. We have to return a new string. Okay, we have to return a new string. So we will make a new string builder class. New string builder class. Okay, an instance of new string builder. String builder SB. SB would be nothing at first. Yeah, SB is nothing at first, and we will store all the vowels from the string. We will store all the vowels from the string in a character array list. We will make use of array list, not array. Okay, array list. And what are the characters? Vowel characters there. E. Let me write again. L, E, E, T, LeetCode C, capital O, D, small e. Okay, what are the vowels? E, E, O, and again E. So E, E, O, again E. Okay, now we have traversed through the original string, and we have stored in our array list, character array list. Again, we have make use of array list, not array. Why? I will tell it later on this video. Okay, we have stored in the array list, Now, now we know that we have to make use of the precedence table. So we have to sort this array list. So how would we sort it? After sorting, it will be sorted according to the ASCII value. That's how our computer works. Sorting means it will be sorted according to our ASCII values, given ASCII value, E and again E. Yeah, this is the ASCII order for this given letters. Yeah, because capital E will come first, then O, then again small e, small e. Yeah. Now, now, now we will again traverse through letter to append all the values in this empty string builder. Yeah. So string builder will append the first character L. The question says if it is not a vowel, write it as it is in the given index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, it is 7. Okay, now at first index it comes E. It is a vowel. Now check the 0th index of our array list, sorted array list. 0th index and append it here and then remove it. After removing, here comes why we are using array list and not array. After this, the array list will somehow again it will arrange it in such a way that O will come in the first position, in the 0th position, E will come in the first position, and again the second E will come in the second position. See, like this. So again in the next iteration, if we call for 0, we will not get any empty or null value exception, because we know if we had remove in an array E, then either we have to put the value as -1, or we have to put the value as integer dot minimum value. Okay, so for that, if we would have called in the array again the 0th index, it would have given us -1. But here the array list somehow arranges in itself such a way that again in the 0th position it has arranged the 0 O to come in the 0th position. All the letters will shift towards the left. Okay, so this position is filled up. Now again in the next iteration, this is again a vowel. So we will check which has more priority. O has more priority. O will come here and remove O, and then T, P, put it as it is. Now C, again not a vowel. Now O, yeah, O is a vowel. So check, O is already used and not present. Now which is the 0th index here? This one is the 0th index. This is the first index. Now remove the 0th index. First append it here and then remove the 0th index. Now it becomes the 0th index. Now traverse D, put it as it is here. Now E is a vowel. So check in the array list, something is left. Yeah, something is left at 0th index. At the 0th index, put it here. Why is 0th index? Only E is left. So obviously its index will be 0. Append it here. Now we have reached the last, so we have to terminate, and this is our answer. So let's code it up. What we require? We require a string builder, a character array list. String builder is equals to new string builder. Okay, and an array list. Character array list. CHARACT. Yeah, right. Be sure with the spelling. List ch equals to new list, new array list. Now we have to store all the vowels in the array list, so we will iterate through the string, given string. We will iterate the string for, let's take this dot length. Now iterate through its length, 0 to n. Now check if this character at I is a vowel. How to check a vowel? Check all the possible conditions. There are 5 vowels and plus 5 capital letters vowels. So check for all the 10 conditions. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, and at last U. Yeah. Now if we get if we catch a vowel, in this if condition, okay, if we catch a vowel, what we will do, we will add it in the array list. cs.add caret I, just add it. Okay, yeah. Now come out of the if loop and also the for loop. Now problem is here, like we came out of the for loop, for loop. Now append the yeah. Now we have to append in the string builder. We have the string builder. Yeah. So again we have to iterate for I to 0 to n. Now check this. Again if we catch uh, a vowel, what if we catch a vowel, we have to remove it from the array list. Okay, so we have to first of all append in our string builder. sb dot append get 0. As I said, all the value will be, the precedence value will be at the 0th position at each iteration. After each iteration it will be shifted to the 0th index. Okay, now remove the 0th index. cs dot remove 0. Okay, now this one was for this, if we get a vowel. But what if we don't get a vowel? If we don't get a vowel, simply sb dot append as it is character at I. Now just simply return it. But sb is right now a string builder, so we have to convert it into string. To sb dot return sb dot string. Okay, yeah, it will work. Let's check it. Let's check once if it yeah, it will work, I guess. condition LEETCODE. Okay, we have to sort first, no? We have to sort it. We haven't sorted it. So how would we sort? It is an array list. We cannot use arrays.sort. We have to make use of collections. Collections.sort. Yes. Yeah, now it works. Make use of this for Java people. For Java people, use collections.sort. For CPP, I don't know. It might be there for vector. Check it. Now let's submit. Its time complexity would be n log n, I guess, because we are sorting it. Okay, and simply we are using for loop once, so it will be big O of n, but it has n log n, so simply its time complexity will be n log n. So see, we can see that 40% of the users we are beating. So that's all for today. Thanks.